What's going on? This is SaltwaterMunchkins. Then you take the rest.
You do the intro. Go.
Hey yo, what's going on? This is SaltwaterMunchkins, and we're back with a new video. And we're gonna do an RC fishing boat challenge, and we're gonna see what we catch. But we also have sand fleas and a bucket full of shrimp right here. Here, let me show you one right now. Shrimp. And we're gonna see if we catch anything. And by the way, if you want any of this SaltwaterMunchkins merchandise, you can go online, Google, and search up SaltwaterMunchkins.com. And yeah, let's go. Look how tiny this hook is. Look how tiny. It's like this. It's not even the size of my nail. It's smaller. Oh my! Wow. It smells everything. It's such a big thing. Is it on? Is the boat on? Is it? Okay, Rafe, you can't fish here. The boat.
Ben, watch out. Let's go over here.
Okay, I'll just drive around. Stop it! Don't do that. Scary. Did you hear me? This thing. Oh my god. Wait, look at this shrimp. Oh. You got one already. Ooh. It's a boat. Fish are there. Oh, Finn, put it
Yeah, Finn, take it underneath the piling over here.
Take it over there.
Keep it close by until we figure it out. Drive it to the right a little bit.
That good?
Yeah, yeah. Just a little close to the dock. Go to the right just a little bit again. There you go. I'm trying to get drift out in that spot again. There's a lot of mold out here.
I feel like we should just catch a minnow with the net, and then I feel like we should just hook it and throw it out there and catch a mullet for us. First catch of the day, our saltwater mud shark. We call it a mullet. Dad, look!
There, you got one.
What did you catch?
Snapper. Ooh, Finn, you got a hit.
Oh, yep.
Drive it forward just a bit.
Hey, Dad, you lost my bait.
Oh, you got him. You're on. Finn's on.
Get it! Dad, get it! Get the boat! Pick it up now! Pick it up! Reach for it! Yes! You caught him! We caught him! First catch of the day, guys. A snapper.
There, got it. Bring it up.
My snapper's way bigger. Who cares?
Oh, nice. Double header, RC boat.
Woo!
Yes, Finn.
Look at this thing. You almost swallowed the hook. Let's do that. Oh, this is a keeper. Oh, this guy's mean. Don't let this guy eat me.
Here, get the pliers.
Oh, Dad, you're gonna need a pliers for this guy. Holy cow. Dude, that was Open your mouth, fish.
Bring it this way.
Ugh. Look at this thing. Dude, that was sick. Ow, he keeps trying to bow. Oh, ow. Oh, look at this. Bite me.
Let me eat.
Dang, I got excited again. See it moving.
Oh, got one, Reef. Got one. Fanny's got one. Oh no.
Oh no.
He's sinking the boat. Bring it towards you.
I'm trying to. Man, look.
Bring it back towards you.
I'm trying to. Dad, get the rod.
Bring it towards you.
I'm trying. I'm turning the other way.
Here, try to bring it to me.
Dad, I'm trying. I'm pulling you back.
Go that way.
Trying to.
Try to get it towards you, closer to you.
I see it! It's a huge snapper!
Bring it back this way.
I'm trying to.
Oh, this is a nice snapper. Don't reverse it. Don't reverse it. You're going to break the line.
I'm going over him.
Oh, you just fouled the line. Stop. Stop. Now I got to go get it. Stop. Hold this. You fouled the line. I told you not to reverse it, honey.
Dad, use the rod.
I don't. Look.
Oh my god! Did you feel it? Oh my god!
Look, grab it.
I got him. It's huge! Holy cow! Look at this thing. I'm sorry why I made you do that.
That's all right. That's why you can't reverse it. You'll foul the prop.
Look at this thing. It's huge. It actually caught a huge fish on a full-on boat, man. A boat.
Here, get the pliers.
A toy boat, man. It's a toy boat. It's huge. It's like this big.
Reef, here, unhook it.
I can't.
Use the pliers.
Oh my god. That thing's big. That thing's massive. I thought it looked tiny from where I was. That explains how far I was. Got off.
All right, what'd you learn?
Never reverse.
Never reverse into your line. Good job, though. I was sick.
Did you see the size of that thing? I'm gonna throw a sample on.
You made his daddy go swimming.
I made Dad go swimming, man. I made you.
Yep, no more shrimp.